Anybody got a prescription, yeah, for this love pain? Anybody got a pill I could pop for this love pain? Anybody got a...
Hello everyone, it's Keisha with Drink Coffee Make Stuff. Welcome to my channel. Today I am planning in my mini happy planner. I am planning for the last week in March. It is March 28th through April 3rd. So I'll go ahead and take those off the disc. Now I am going to be using this new Happy Planner sticker book. It's called Teeny Florals. I did not purchase this during the release from the website, but I did happen to find it in Michael's on a trip this week. So I'll be using that, and of course I may pull in my Colorful Boxes book. So we will see. All right, so I am going to go ahead and speed this video up, and when I finish, I'll be back. All right, everyone, that's it. Let me go ahead and put these back on the disc. I wanted to add more florals, but I think I better stop or it'll look cluttered. So let's see what this looks like. All right, yeah, that turned out pretty cute. I really like this Teeny Florals book. I like the fact that it has the colorful boxes in there as well. So let's see what kind of pen I'm going to use today. All right, guys, so I think I'm going to pair these two this week, and this is New Day. It's a pretty coral colored BB pen, and this is Goal Getter, one of my absolute favorites. So I think I'll be using these two this week when I'm using this spread. All right, so that is it. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.